great day for a drive, especially in a 2025 F-350 STX in agate black. Medium dark slate cloth interior, seating for 6, 4 doors, and an 8-foot box. This box is lined. It has a 6.7-liter Power Stroke turbo diesel engine. It's a V8 with an automatic transmission, and it's a 4x4. It also has those nice running boards and cab steps, FX4 off-road package, which includes skid plates, and of course you've got your reverse camera and many more features. If you'd like to take this vehicle out on a test drive, you can book it online at islandford.ca. Stay tuned. We're going to have a look under the hood and inside and out. It's a 6.7-liter Power Stroke turbo diesel. It's a V8 with an automatic transmission, and it's a 4x4. Let's have a look inside. In the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. The driver's seat is manually adjusted with manual lumbar. And off to the side here you have your electronic parking brake, high mount light, and lighting controls. There's a running board and grab handle, just making it easier to get in. And then we're going to start up the vehicle. You're going to see any important messages, the odometer reading, and of course your center LCD screen is going to load with all the information that you need there. So on our dash we have our cruise control, volume, we also have our menu and hands-free dialing, and then on the dash in the display, any important messages, the odometer reading, and your menus in there too, and you can just toggle through. In the center we've got the little cubby up top, exhaust brake and hill descent. We also have our display screen, so we can go into audio and we can turn that down because we have the volume located on our steering wheel. And then we can touch into sources, AM, FM, Bluetooth. We can go into our settings. You're going to see different options in there. And then you can slide through for what you want. They have sub-menus, so you can change the look of the display screen and so forth. And then the features, you can go in there. You've got your owner's manual, towing, zone lighting, and driver assistance. Now, when we put the vehicle in reverse, we're going to see our backup camera view here. And so those white lines are showing us as we turn our steering wheel the direction we're going in. There's your center line, and green, yellow, red, just how close we are to other objects or vehicles. So let's put us back into park. You got a little cubby here, volume and tuner, your hazard lights, traction control, and we've got our camera here. So this is a forward view. This is not in gear, just giving you a look-see before you head out. Just press it again, it'll go right off. And then we have our fan here as well. You've got your rear defrost, front defrost, AC and max AC, and that's your climate control, USB-C and USB, plus a 12-volt. And there's also a little cubby down below, integrated trailer brake controller. You've got your 4x4 with your drive mode, and we can dial through that. So there's normal, slippery, off-road, and then we can go the other way, which is tow haul, eco, and then I'm going to go back into normal because that's what I need. So if your road conditions are changing, weather's changing, you can change your drive mode as well. And you have rear locking differential. Your armrest in the center has a couple of cup holders. You also have storage, and then flip it up for another seating position. It has its own seat belt, and you can unclip it underneath. More storage down below. Off to the side is a 12-volt plus a 120, and you've got the locking glove compartment down below. Grab handle in the body. Manually dimming, rear view mirror, lighting controls, as well as sunglass holder and upfitter switches. So you can add things like winches or snowplow or whatever you like. And we're ready to go. Wheels, mud flaps, black running board, black door handle, driver's side fuel cap, and you've got a cab step there. The FX4 off-road package, which includes skid plates, and above your handle is where your backup camera is located, LED light to the right. And you also have your backup sensors on your bumper, 4 and 7 pin connector, and a trailer hitch. And then when you're ready to open it up, you just simply put your hand in the latch, and it's got a nice spray and liner, tie downs in all 4 corners. You also have a measuring stick on the end here, as well in metric and imperial, as well as a tailgate step. And then that yellow button creates a handle for you when you pull it out, giving you some stability getting in and out of the box. And then when you're ready, close it up, lock it up and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. Speaker in the door, as well as power windows and grab handle in the body. They're sitting for 3 with a 60-40 split. You just lift the seat with one hand, it's in the upright position, and you've got this nice all-weather mat on the floor. You also have carpeted mats. And then bring the seat down, pull the tab, anchors at the base to be able to tether baby seats. And then in the center we have the USB outlets, as well as your 12-volt, and there's a couple of cup holders. grab handle on the driver's side, lighting and hooks, and in the back, access to a sliding power window with rear defrost. Step in the rear, 8-foot lined box, cab steps, privacy glass in the back windows with window vents, adjustable side view mirrors with blind spot information system, LED headlights, tow hooks, and so many more reasons to visit us. If you like this video and would like to see more, please subscribe. We have plenty to share with you, and we'd love to hear your comments.